Alright, y'all. So usually I don't really celebrate Cinco de Mayo like that, but I'm about to make me a drink. So I here have Amsterdam peach, I have peach punch, I have apple slices back there and lemon juice. I'm gonna mix it in this plastic cup because it's easy to pour. But in the freezer I have a glass that I dipped in agave and then I dipped it in cinnamon sugar. So to rim the top of the glass. And yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna start with my I guess I should start with the lemon juice. Doesn't matter if I get seeds down in there because I am going to strain this down into my cup. Well, strain it before I pour it in my cup. Ooh, before I pour it in my cup. I like a lot of lemon juice. Okay, so the whole of one half and then half of a half. So then I'm gonna go in here with my Amsterdam. Don't ask me how much I'm putting in here. It's all up to how much y'all want and how much y'all can drink. Okay, then you're gonna take your peach punch. That's it, just a splash, just a splash. All right guys, so here's my cup. I have a couple pieces of ice down in there and my apple slice down in there. Now you're just gonna take your drink and pour it down in there. See, this is why I did it in this pourable plastic cup, because there we go. Alright guys, so this is what my drink looks like. It looks a little plain or whatever, but it's delicious. As you can see, as I filled up with the drink, like the cinnamon sugar is falling down in there. That's also, like you can see it, that's also going to add extra added flavor. I went with cinnamon sugar because that's what I wanted to do. If you want to do just sugar or salt or lime zest around, fine, do you, but that's what I wanted to do. Now let me taste this while I'm talking to y'all, because I know y'all like when I taste stuff. So oh God. All I'm gonna say is give this drink a try, y'all. I don't need to tell y'all to mix your liquor with just some juice and good to go, but it's nice and strong and it's gonna get you to where you got to go. And my little pink straw, I love pink. But yeah, and look out for an amazing Sunday dinner video tomorrow. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I wanted to upload it tonight, but I said I'll just wait till the morning. So it'll be up tomorrow morning, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.